120 million people have been forced from their homes by conflict, persecution, economic hardship, and environmental disasters. These numbers are not mere statistics. They are a reminder of the urgency and significance of this year's theme, and that is protecting the integrity of refugee and migration systems. This conference calls us to reaffirm our shared responsibility to defend justice, uphold human dignity, and extend compassion. Refugees and migrants are entitled to rights enjoyed by other people. They are individuals whose lives have been disrupted by circumstances beyond their control, yet they carry resilience, they carry hope, and a strong desire to rebuild their lives. Kenya's tradition of hosting refugees is long-standing and distinguished. For more than 3 decades, our nation has opened its doors to those fleeing war, persecution, and sometimes famine. Today, nearly 580,000 refugees and asylum seekers call Kenya home, one of the world's largest refugee population. This reflects not only our generosity, but our unwavering belief in the principles of humanity and solidarity. Our approach has consistently been anchored in international law. Kenya is party to the 1951 UN Refugee Convention, its 1967 Protocol, and the 1969 OAU Refugee Convention. In 2021, we enacted the Refugee Act, guaranteeing refugees the right to work, to move freely, and to access services, and protecting them from refoulement, as is the case in many other parts of the world. This progressive legal framework reflects our belief that refugees should not live indefinitely in camps, but as active participants in their host societies. Early this year, we launched the Shirika Plan. Shirika meaning cooperation in Kiswahili, and this was spoken to by the representative of the UN. This visionary program seeks to transform refugee camps into integrated settlements, where refugees and host communities can live, work, and prosper together. It is a bold shift from encampment to empowerment. The Shirika Plan aligns with the Global Compact on Refugees and embodies the African Union's commitment to African solutions for African challenges. It promotes